So I've just stopped in a lay-by near Silbury, and yeah, this is pretty much the epicentre of where it's all happening. So to the left of me, far left of me, we have got Avebury. To the right of me, we've got West Kennet, and then in front of me, hello and welcome to another instalment of Steve's Monumental Adventure, and today we're at Silbury Hill, which is an artificial chalk mound near Avebury in Wiltshire. The mound is 39.3 metres high and lands itself to being the tallest prehistoric mound in Europe. It is estimated the mound was constructed in around about 2400 BC, and it's made up of 248,000 cubic metres of material. It isn't actually known the exact purpose of this mound and why it was built, but over the years investigations have continued building tunnels, boreholes, to trying to discover more about this mysterious mound. They also suggest that it's related to the other prehistoric mounds and structures nearby. To us, it is just monumental. This place is absolutely full of stuff like this, interesting places. So it's a whole different feel. Yesterday was all about modern engineering, and this is all about prehistoric engineering. We're Silbury Hill just there. We're not going to be going that far. Well, doesn't seem that far. We're going up the top there to West Kennet, Long Barrow. Now, throughout my working life, I would actually say a barrow was something I'm quite used to, but actually the word barrow has got a totally different meaning, which some of my landscaping friends might not appreciate. Anyway, so we're just going to go off the beaten track now, and we're just going through these gates, and then I'll turn the camera around. Here we go. We might have a little bit of a walk here. West Kennet Long Barrow. So let's go and have a little look at this. What is a long barrow? Basically, it says West Kennet Long Barrow was one of the earliest monuments to be built around about 3650 BC. It's one of 20 long barrows that were built in the wider Avebury area in the early Neolithic period, although several have stone chambers. Right, so actually this is basically an underground area. Wow, that sounds interesting. I'll probably give you a little bit more information over the top, over the voiceover, because I'm likely to mess it up. But anyway, I'm walking in a field, walking up the track to the Long Barrow, and oh, it's a nice breeze along here. Oh, just look at it, with Silbury Hill over there, look. Yeah, I'm assuming we just keep walking on. here, but the breeze is absolutely lovely. Look at that wheat field there as well. You see the greeny path through the middle there? That's what we're walking up. So now we got to climb up over this field now, look. I mean, it's not as steep as some of the walks I've been on this journey. One of the oldest Neolithic structures. Welcome to West Kennet Long Barrow. It is suspected the age of this barrow dates back to 3670 BC. The West Kennet Long Barrow is a multi-chamber tomb which provides the final resting place for the communities based around this barrow. This is one of an example of many of these across the UK. This barrow is 100 metres long by 20 metres wide and has an internal corridor with different tombs leading off. 36 skeletons were found in this barrow and they were dated from 3670 BC. The bones of 5 infants were also found, all in one chamber. The site is now cared for by English Heritage and it shows a time before which was hard to imagine, and West Kennet is truly monumental. Looking at some proper old stuff today, aren't we? And as we leave West Kennet Long Barrow, we finally end up in Avebury, the home of that stone circle. Thank you for watching Steve's Monumental Adventure. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell to see more of our videos when they're released.